All right, ready? Ready. Hey Aligners, Josh Spivey here. I'm with my dad, Dr. David Spivey, and we have some incredible news to share with all of you. You've heard before on some conference calls, he was doing some testing with dry eyes with our relief disc, and I'm going to turn this conversation over to my dad to explain what he's seen and what's transpired in his business with some of his patients over the last couple of days. So David Spivey, go right ahead.
How you guys doing out there tonight? What we did is I'm doing a study, and I'm going to actually have a total of 10 patients, and I have 5 in the study at this point in time. 3 of them have finished the study. When these patients started out, they had severe dry eyes and was in a lot of discomfort from those dry eyes. Right now, 4 of the patients are women, and 1 of them is a man. The 3 that are finished are all women, and all 3 of these women, both clinically, when I look at their eyes, they're significantly healthier. There's no signs of dry eyes in their eyes. And the one that really comes to mind is one patient. She had real problems. She was the worst of the 5 that I have. She couldn't even have enough saliva in her mouth that she could even swallow. After using the disc, we take the disc, relief disc, and we're putting them right above their ankle, right down here above their ankle. They're wearing it for 5 days on, 2 days off. After 6 weeks, I was seeing them every 2 weeks to see how they were progressing. And they were progressing very well. Even after 2 weeks, I was seeing a marked improvement in the clinical signs looking at their eyes. But now the first patient we did, when she came back, she says she's making her own tears. She has saliva in her mouth. Her skin is not dry, and her hair is not as brittle. The other 2, they weren't as bad as the first patient, but they had significant changes in their eyes, and all 3 of them are using the disc. All 3 of them are having no signs of dry eyes when I look at their eyes, and no symptoms of dry eyes. So I'm very excited about this. And so I'm going to do 5 more, so I can have a total of 10, and then we'll see what happens, after those 10 are finished.
So Aligners, listen. The products work. We talk about this all the time, and this is just another example from a specialist in his field with many special designations that is trying and testing our products with their patients. So it's not just chiropractors, it's not just veterinarians. Guys, these products work for everybody. So here's my suggestion. Just give the products away. Show them that it works. Go out, build a huge team, make a significant impact on your family. Great to speak to you all tonight. Hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving holiday and weekend with your families. This is Josh Spivey signing out. We'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.